Well, I got what I hope to be a first spin bonus. This is the Wizard of Oz machine. I don't even know what the hell this one's actually called. The Road to Emerald City or something, but this is where you have to pick, and one's credit, sometimes two are bonus. I'm just gonna pick this one. Okay, I got the Flying Monkey bonus. Well,
I was here.
I've done really well on this, and I've done really poorly. With this setup right here, this looks like it could be pretty good. As long as they don't take my Tin Men out. If they put wilds where my Tin Men go. Oh, touch screen or... Well, at least got 5 of a kind there. Give me more. Come on, more. I don't know what I got there. It says big win. This is a 5-cent machine, so everything's multiplied by 5. That was only the second spin. I'll let it run out. 6.20, so that's 30 bucks. Oh, I just missed it again. Got it, got it, got it. Oh, I keep forgetting I gotta hit the button. Come on, give me the whole thing wild. Not quite as good on that one. Come on, give it to me again. One spin left. I got it one more time. It'd be nice to take out these two. Give me the witches across there. Come on, more, 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 more. Ah. That's it. That's 15 times 5. Not too bad. For first spin, I'll take it.